Okay, we have a winter time, a lot of snow, and yeah, we did find a problem, and problem is solved. So that's good, like the snow. So, like in my previous video, this car was the same problem. It's a 1.6 petrol engine. It's Audi A4. As you can see in here is the engine ADP. Is a engine code. Normally you can find the engine codes in here or around here if you have a good luck. But if not, you can try to find them other way. But that's not the problem. The problem is with the car. The car didn't start. It was like normally if you drive every day is okay, but if the car stays about 1 day to 3 days or forever, you can start it very easy, but it dies after a couple minutes. So what the problem is after dying the car? Here you can see, look, right deep in there. Again, it's the same problem again. You see, the distributor rotor is completely worn out. So basically you can see it in there, everything is burned. My camera cannot zoom so close, but anyway, I hope you see. Basically everything is burned out, and yeah, spark cannot pass the resistor, which one is inside over there, but it's already all burned out. So that's gone, and yeah, we have to change it off anyway. That's the problem. Why the car runs, normally it runs okay, but then it dies and you won't start it again till it heats up. So there you can see we have some contact resistance. As you can see there, these contacts is in very good condition. Oh, sorry, that in very bad condition, I would say, in very bad condition. There you can see how the spark is being running to the ignition. Yeah, in ignition spark. So in the spark plugs. So the middle contact, as you can see, is coming from ignition coil. It's right down there. That's the ignition coil, and this middle wire, as you can see here, is a little bit oxide on it as well. So it's like in an oxide. So you have to clean that off. This wire goes right into the middle, and all other four all the way around is spark plugs, spark plug connections. So you can see in the rotor and the distributor cap. So yeah, these sparks is been running. As you can see, that black line is from the spark, because spark is been running through the, I would say, the isolator, through the cap, from the middle to the cap, and then only it gets to the spark plug through the wire. So that's the very common problem you look in these cars. So yeah, if something wrong with your engine, or it's dying, or it's been staying for a while, then you switch it on and you start it, then normally of course you have to find these things, and then yeah, that could be a problem. In my case, this is a second problem like this one, and yeah, that's the problem. This problem is for this kind of engine and Audi A4. So good luck and thanks for watching.